Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and sign up for a PNC mobile banking account from your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open your App Store and make sure that you have downloaded and installed PNC. So let me just go ahead and do that real quick. If you haven't downloaded it, you can simply go ahead and search for it and then just tap here and download and install it. Now click on open. Now in order for you to go ahead and sign up, let's just wait for it. There you go. And in order for you to go ahead and sign up, all you need to do is just tap on enroll down over here. And once you've done that, you're going to be taken to this page right over here, where all you need to do is simply go ahead and answer some set of questions. So for example, personal banking, click on next, and then go ahead and enter your SSN or ITIN. Simply go ahead and tap on next. And then once you do that, it's going to ask you for your email, your password, your address, your name, and then it's going to go ahead and let you go ahead and create an account. So this is a pretty straightforward process. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and